Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody's doing well today. It is devastated, fucking freezing outside. I'm actually in the car with my little Godzilla here, Gizmo. It is devastated cold in that house. So, sitting in the car with Kit and trying to keep warm, and the reason why I'm in the car with Godzilla here is because the power is completely out and it is frozen ice cold in the house. So we're sitting in the car, right, Giz? Keeping warm. The power should go on at 10. I called the on-call three times last night. They was giving me different hours. The power didn't come on. It was pretty bad yesterday with the ice storm, and I want to show you a video of what it looked like where I live. It is completely ice. That tree right there, would you see, the ice did that. I mean, there's a lot of ice where I live. It's pretty bad. We did saw a surface vehicle on-call drove down, and they went up to check if there's anything damaged from yesterday. It was pretty rough. There's a lot of ice on the road this morning. So, you warming up? Yeah, you warm? Good boy. So just sitting here, wait for the electricity to come back on, if it comes on. Didn't sleep well last night. Gizmo didn't sleep very well last night. You can tell he's exhausted from the cold, but he's a brave little bugger, aren't you, kids? Hope everybody will. Hope everybody, please be careful on that road. There is a lot of ice in some area. Been keeping up with the law enforcement. The highway this morning was a little bit slow. There was a lot of semi-trucks. We know how dumbass they are on the road. This morning they pulled off the interstate and got home safely this morning, and just been sitting in the car ever since, waiting for the power to get back on. And the other problem I'm going to be having today, between now the time the power comes on until later on this afternoon, my bedroom will not be warmed up. It will take a lot of time for my bedroom to warm up. So what I did was this morning and last night, I put extra old blanket, old shirt that I don't need, where the cold air is coming out. So hopefully it will warm my bedroom up a lot quicker. It is now 9:46. Like I said, it was a long night. It was cold. It was absolutely fucking horrible last night. Gizmo managed to get some sleep than I did. And we go on from there. Anyway, you guys, be safe. Please be careful out there. Slow down if you have to. Don't be in a hurry. I don't give a rat what your boss said, and if you're late for work, boo-hoo-hoo. It is extremely dangerous on that damn road. So my prayers go out to people driving to work or driving to the store. Please be careful. It's still slippery. It's still cold. It is 29 degrees, 33 degrees. Seeing someone behind me. Hey guys, let me know if you see anything behind me. Swear to God. Anyway, you guys, God bless you all. Have a good day. Stay warm. Please, please, please be careful. And I'll talk to you later. If you have any comment, question, comment below on my screen. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.